The Skylon Tower, located in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada, is an iconic observation tower and entertainment complex known for its stunning views of the American and Horseshoe Falls. Standing at 520 feet, 160 meters above street level and 775 feet, 236 meters above the base of the falls, the tower offers a strategic vantage point, making it a significant landmark, despite not being one of the tallest buildings in the world. Designed by architect Alan R. Moody and constructed by a Pigott construction company. The Skylon Tower was completed in October 1965. It serves primarily as an observation tower, offering a 360-degree panoramic view of the Niagara region, including clear views of Toronto on bright days. The tower also features a revolving restaurant that completes a full rotation every hour, enhancing the dining experience with changing views. Initially owned by private developers, it is now under the ownership of the Niagara Falls Skywheel Corporation. Built with concrete and steel, the tower's structure is both robust and aesthetically appealing, with a cylindrical shaft and a broad base. The Skylon Tower is not only a popular tourist attraction, but also a versatile venue for events such as weddings, parties, and corporate gatherings. Its status as a key symbol of Niagara Falls and its ongoing draw for visitors from around the world underscore its importance in the region's cultural and touristic landscape.